Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you know when we post new videos.
Hi guys, today we're going to learn more about harmony. Now you've sung using harmony in the last few lessons, but we're going to learn a lot more about it today, and then we're going to have some serious fun singing with harmony in the next few lessons. What is harmony? Harmony is when two or more notes are sung at the same time. Most of the songs that you know and love use harmony, but that doesn't mean harmony is used in the whole song. A lot of the song is usually sung by just the lead singer, but harmony can be used to make different sections of the song sound bigger, more full, more dramatic, or more exciting. Have you ever heard a choir sing before? Well, a choir is a perfect example of harmony in action. Different sections of the choir, different groups of people, will sing different parts of the song. That will cover the low, the middle, and the high parts. And when blended together, they create a beautiful harmony. A choir is pretty awesome, isn't it? Another good example of harmony is with a band called the Beatles. Now, the Beatles were one of the first rock or popular bands to use complicated harmonies in their music. Since then, most other groups have been using harmony. Now, any two notes sung together will create a harmony, but some just sound better together. Some notes create a sweet and pleasant sound when they're sung at the same time, and others can create tension, or maybe sound like they don't even work well together. If you have a piano or keyboard, you can pick any two keys, black or white, and press them at the same time. That will create a harmony. Try to find different combinations of notes that you like, and maybe even some that don't sound that great together. It can be really fun to find harmony that way. Some of the most common and the prettiest sounding harmonies are when we use the root, the third, and the fifth in a scale. Kind of like solfege. Do you remember solfege? We started with do, re, mi, fa, sol. Well, if we give each one of those a number, do gets 1, re gets 2, mi gets 3, fa gets 4, and sol gets 5, we'll use do, mi, and sol, 1, 3, and 5, and sing those together, and that will make a beautiful sounding harmony. When we put the first note or root together with the third note and the fifth note, that makes a major chord. In the next few lessons, we're going to learn to sing using roots, thirds, and fifths. And of course, we're going to have a lot of fun doing it. So head over to the next lesson and I'll see you there. Hi friends, let's sing together. In this lesson, we're going to sing the root, the third, and the fifth of the C major chord. That means C will be our root, E will be the third, and G will be the fifth. Now in a major chord, we can also call it a major third and a perfect fifth, but we'll talk more about that in another lesson. So follow along with the teacher as she sings C, E, and G. Try to stay right on with her and don't let your note go a little higher or a little lower. That means you've got to try to stay on pitch. Are you ready? Let's have tons of fun. Here we go.
1, 2, ready, go. Start with C, our melody. Now sing E, the third harmony. It's time for G, the fifth harmony. Take it down to C, our melody. Now sing E, the third harmony. It's time for G, the fifth harmony. Take it down to C, the melody. Now sing E, the third harmony. It's time for G, the fifth harmony. Take it down to C, our melody. Now sing E, the third harmony. Time for G, the fifth harmony. Take it down to C, our melody.
Great job! Now we're going to sing the C, E, and G using the ah sound. Follow along with the teacher and of course have some fun.
1, 2, ready, go. One, two, ready, go. One, two, ready, go.
This time we'll sing those 3 notes again, but when you sing the 3rd and the 5th, the E and the G, you'll hear the root notes singing at the same time. Now you're singing harmony. Here we go.
1, 2, ready, go. One, two, ready, go. One, two, ready, go.
Let's keep going, friends. This time when you sing the 3rd and the 5th, you'll hear it fade out. So you've got to keep on that note all by yourself. Then it'll fade back in just to make sure you're still on it. Are you ready? Let's go.
1, 2, ready, go. One, two, ready, go. One, two, ready, go.
All right, guys, game time. You're gonna hear the sound of the C major playing on the piano. The C, E, and G will be in there. Then you're gonna be asked to find one of those 3 notes and sing it with the ah sound. You can do it. Watch closely, listen closely, and have fun. Here we go.